today, how do we work? How are we generating all this knowledge and building up our AI model? We train our model, remembering that it's our infrastructure. So our tenants are your safe place. And, even some of our customers that need the CMMC or ITAR or FedRAMP level type of security, we have tenants that support. Okay, so we've got the full gamut. Now, just remember that we are not training on your data. It's only through our proprietary and synthetic data. Okay, so we're not learning from your drawings how to make your drawings. Yeah. In the future, where we hope to head, and this is only going to be through agreements, where we do want to learn from client data. However, it is still going to be protected. It's going to be an agreement between us and your company. We're going to train the model, and it's in your tenant bubble. Right? It's not there for the world to see or any other customer to see how you make your drawings. All right? That's not here yet, but that's where we're going to work towards.